Okay, welcome back to 6.8 Reader Garage. Today I thought I'd do a bit of a, well, we'll call it a public service announcement to call out some things that could happen to you if you get a CNC plasma machine. So ArcDroid included, that's what I have. But get yourself a CNC plasma machine and this can be your future. Check this out. Alright, like I said, this has been a little bit of a public service announcement, a little bit of a warning for those of you who want a CNC plasma machine, been looking at an ArcDroid or any other one. That can happen to you. Of course, I have a YouTube channel which drove me to create a lot of additional stuff, try to do it weekly. But if you have a CNC plasma machine, a little bit of computer skills, you can make a lot of stuff, and my prediction is you will. That's just the stuff I showed you. It's just the stuff in its place where I have it at my house, the stuff I haven't given away. Doesn't count all the countless things that I don't have a friend or family member that I haven't given something to. So you're gonna make some stuff. So consider yourself warned.